Tip number 1. Hold your pen at an angle. Avoid holding your pen straight down. Instead, relax your wrist. This will prevent your tip from getting damaged, and it will also allow your wrist to move more freely. Tip number 2. Do not position your hand too low. Holding your pen a little higher than normal will give you more flexibility in your wrist, which will give you more flow in your writing. Tip number 3. Lighten the pressure. Practicing these up and down strokes will help you control your pressure. Remember to go light going up and heavier going down. Just remember that angle, your hand position, and the pressure are 3 key things to remember when doing hand lettering. Thank you so much for stopping by. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. And until next time, have a beautiful day.